Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I want to show us how to line hair. Someone asked in this comment section that I should show us how to line hair. So this video I'm going to show you, and the person asked me where is the right place to start shaping hair. So today I'll be telling us that if you want to shape hair, the one that works for me is I started from the vertical side rather than the horizontal line. I start from the vertical line, which is the side that I'm carving. By now you should have known that whenever I want to shape hair or skin hair, you should have known that you join the blade together. I've taught you guys this part. So what I'm doing now shouldn't be something new, but for those that are just coming in, if you want to shape hair, you join the blade together. Make sure they are well joined so that it will not have any cut on the client's hair. Understand? So this is what I'm doing now. I join the blade together, follow the hair. First and foremost, the one that works for me and I will recommend for you people is, if you want to shape any hair, start it from the vertical line. You see this place, the vertical line. Then you now follow it from the horizontal after the vertical line. So this is how it is. Even if you want to shape eyebrow, this is how you do it. Watch what I'm doing, watch the way my hand is moving, watch the way I'm holding the clipper. Understand? So this is very simple. I forgot to start this video from the beginning when I barb the cup the C cup style. I've already barb finish, and I remember the comment. I was like, oh, I forgot to, I didn't do this video for them. Oh, I said, okay, let me do the lining part of it. So guys, if you are finding this video helpful, please don't hesitate, subscribe to this channel. This channel is basically for haircut tutorial, and I'm betting you, if I should start showing you comments that people are sending, a lot of people, they have started learning and they are improving. I want you to learn something. See, we have passed that level that if you want to learn anything, you go to the person's shop physically. Anything you want to learn is online. So far you have data, watch it very well. And this my channel, I'll make sure I use this channel and raise many people, and they will learn how to become a professional barber. See what I'm doing, watch the way I'm holding my clipper, watch what I'm doing. If you are, when you want to shape someone's under, see, you carry it up, you carry it up. Understand? You carry it up. Watch my hand very well. I just want to do this video for us to know. And I told you guys from the beginning that the only thing, three basic things you will learn is: one, how to hold your clipper, how to set the blade, and how to use the steps. I'm going to make video on that one particularly. I'm going to make video on that one. Understand? But for now, watch it. Even when you are carving the mustache, watch it. You see the way it's curved. Follow how the hair grows. Whatever you are doing on someone's hair, if the person's like, let the hair grow from Jerusalem to Abuja, follow it the way it grows. Understand? Follow it the way it grows. Don't go and do some, don't go and recreate on someone's hair and do anyhow. Follow the hair texture the way it is. Follow it. Look at the mustache. Understand? And sometimes make sure you are you are open to criticism. Understand? Open to correction, and let your client tell you what he or she wants. You understand? Because this my client, there is a part that he told me that, okay, want the hair, the mustache to come down a bit, and I followed and I followed what he told me to do. You understand? So watch the way my hand is going. If you watch this closely, you see that the blade is well joined. You see what I'm doing, and he's not feeling any pain. Understand? It's because I set the blade very well. So guys, Don't forget, follow this channel. I know what I'm saying. I'm not saying it because of for me to have subscriber whatever. No, this era that we are now, we're supposed to have something at hand, and this barbing is one of the creative, how will I put it, is something that someone, anybody in a family should know how to do. It's like driving. Driving is a skill that every family is supposed to know how to drive. That is how it's supposed to be, because there is a place you go to, you carry your keys, your family, you go to, you will not like them to touch your hair or your kids hair or any of your relative hair. It's not anybody that you would like to touch your hair. Understand? Like as I am now, I've told myself that once I get married, I'm going to teach my wife how to barb hair so that she'll be cutting my hair, and she, even if I don't have time, she'll cut my kids hair. You understand? So all this thing is something that is a necessity. You understand? It's something that someone cannot do without. In any family, one or two persons should know how to barb hair. Understand? You will see some people, they will come to you, they will say, they have bumps, so they have this. I'm going to make video on all those things, and I'm going to show you people, and I'm going to do a product review that you use that will eradicate all those things. All these people that have dandruff, sometimes, do you know that most of these bumps that you have, is not clipper that causes it. What causes it is maybe the person that barb your hair is the hand of the person. But most of us don't know this thing. I'm going to tell you all these things. Give you a product review. I'm going to tell you what to do to avoid all this dandruff, all these bumps. Understand? Follow this channel, subscribe, like, and make sure you share. Let other people to benefit from it. What is killing us is we are stingy. We are too stingy. When we have update, when we have information, we will not be able to share it to others to benefit from, and it's not good. As you are seeing this video and you go and watch all my tutorials, watch all the tutorials I've done, watch the comments, watch what people are saying, what the way I detail it, all everything I'm doing, I detail it very well, like I'm teaching nursery school pupils. Understand? So that you understand it thoroughly. Understand? So if you watch this video and go to my channel and check everything and check my tutorials and find it helpful, please share it. Inform your friends, inform your neighbors, let them benefit from it. Don't just be only the beneficiary, let them be part of the beneficiaries. Understand? If we are doing like this, people, this world will be a better place for us to be. Understand? See what I'm doing? I've told you people everything. That's why I said if you are coming across this channel for the first time, make sure you go and watch my tutorials. What I'm doing now, this trimming that I'm doing now, I'm taking off the outgrowth hairs. What I'm doing now, those people that have been watching my tutorials, they know what I did there. They know the setting I did there. The blade is open. Understand? The blade is open. It's under low cut. Understand? So like I said before, I've already cut this hair finish before I remember that someone asked a question about hairlining. I've done the C curve. You see the side cut. I've already cut it. I forgot to start this video from the beginning, but I'm going to do another video. I'm just showing you this to know how to line hair. That person that asked me in the comment section where to start lining hair, which side is the best place, I would advise you to start whenever you want to line hair. You should start from the